Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be studying about next example, which is quite different from the previous examples. In the previous examples and even in the definition of coset, we have been taking the group operation as multiplication, and therefore we have defined our cosets like this. We had our cosets defined like AH or HA, right, of this form. But now what about the addition operation in the group? Suppose we have the group Z9, so you know it would contain the element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So all these 9 elements are present within it, and the group operation is addition modulo 9 here. Now suppose that we take a subgroup H which is 0, 3, 9 of this group Z9, right? So therefore the group operation, when we have the group operation as addition, in that case our coset would become A plus H. The left coset would become A plus H, and the elements are obtained as A plus H such that this small h is taken from the group capital H, and the right coset becomes capital H plus A. This is the name of the set, and it would contain all the elements of this kind, small h plus A, such that this h is taken from the set from the subgroup capital H, right? So you see this group operation is taken the same as that given for our group, right? So now in this case, can we write all the left cosets of the subgroup H, which is 0, 3, 9 in the group Z9? So the answer is yes. So let's move forward and see what all cosets do we have for the subgroup in Z9. Okay. So here the first subgroup is obtained when we have the first group element A as 0 here, right? So because we know these are all the group elements, so let's take 0 plus H first for the left cosets. So 0 plus H is 0 plus 0, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 6. We are just adding 0 to all the elements of this subgroup, right? So what do we have? We are doing it under mod 9. Remember that the addition is taken under mod 9. So we have 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 mod 9 is 3, 0 plus 6 is 3, which is what? Which is again our subgroup H. Let's see what about 1 plus H. So when we have 1 plus H, we do 1 plus 0, 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 6. We are adding 1 to all the elements of H. So we have 1 plus 0 is 1, right? 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 mod 9 is just 7, right? So therefore we have this as the next coset. What about 2 plus H? 2 plus H is we are adding 2 to all the elements of H, right? So we have 2 plus 0 as 2, 2 plus 3 as 5, 2 plus 6 as 8. So this is our third coset. What about 3 plus H coset? So we are adding the element 3 to all the elements of H. So we have 3 here, we have 6 here, and we have 9 here. And what is 9 mod 9? So it is 0. Why? Because when you divide by 9 with 9, you have the remainder as 0. So 0 is the answer here. And what is this? This is same as this subgroup, this coset, which is your subgroup only. In a similar fashion, you can calculate 4 plus H. So you are adding 4 to each of the elements. Now in each of the case, 4 plus 0 is 4 only. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 mod 9 is 7 only. 4 plus 6, that is 10. And 10 mod 9 is 1. So therefore we have 1. So you see this is the same as this one with the order of elements changed. So therefore this is nothing but the same coset 1 plus H, right? In a similar manner, we can calculate the other cosets as well. So what would be 5 plus H? Adding 5 to it. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 6 is 11, and 11 mod 9 is 2. So this is same as 2 plus H, correct? In a similar manner, you see this 6 plus H is the same as 3 plus H, which was the same as this H, right? Next, you can see that this 7 plus H is the same as 4 plus H, and it was same as 1 plus H, right? And you can see that this 8 plus H is same as this 8 plus H this one is same as this one, right? So 8 plus h is same as 5 plus h, and again this is the same as this one. So we have it equal to 2 plus h. So these are the 9 cosets, left cosets of the subgroup H in G. In a similar fashion, we can calculate the right cosets also, and moreover, if when we change this subgroup, we have different cosets for the given subgroup. So I hope you understood these examples of cosets, and the concept of cosets would be clear to you by now. In the next video, we'll be looking at properties of cosets. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.